Cboe Clear Europe is a pan-European CCP clearing cash equities, equity derivatives and securities financing transactions. Connections to over 48 trading segments and venues across Europe gives us the broadest venue coverage of any CCP in Europe and has helped us become the largest CCP for European cash equities via volumes cleared. Our business is underpinned by a fundamental belief in the principles of open access, embracing full interoperability and preferred clearing models to provide competition and choice to the clearing community. Full interoperability between CCP allows trading firms rather than the trading venue to choose which CCP clears their cash equity transactions. This was made possible through MiFIR's open access provisions requiring venues to provide trade feeds to CCPs to allow for competition. Today, this means a choice between 3 competing CCPs, including Cboe Clear Europe. Over 10 years ago, it was Cboe Europe's predecessor, BATS Chi-X Europe, that became the first trading venue to offer multi-CCP clearing, with Cboe Clear Europe's predecessors, EuroCCP and EMCF, among the CCPs that participants could choose. Fully interoperable clearing has also been adopted by Nasdaq's Nordic markets, the London Stock Exchange for UK equities, Euronext Oslo and the SIX Swiss Exchange, helping participants in these markets achieve substantial efficiencies. Full CCP interoperability has been an effective tool for change, substantially lowering post-trade costs in Europe's cash equities markets through economies of scale and cross-venue netting for settlement and margin, whilst also enabling operational efficiencies achieved by clearing trading activity across multiple venues through a single CCP. In total, venues representing around 75% of on-exchange trading volume in European equities now offer choice to participants for a fully interoperable clearing model. While full interoperability remains our strong preference on all venues we clear for, it has not been adopted across all markets. In its place, some venues have opted for the preferred clearing model, which offers participants a limited degree of choice. By default, they must continue to clear trades via the incumbent CCP, but can clear via a second preferred CCP, such as Cboe Clear Europe, only if the other party to a trade also wants to do so. This has helped Cboe Clear Europe bring the benefits of competitive clearing to participants in the absence of full interoperability, but the preferred clearing model has limitations and does not provide access on a non-discriminatory basis. Many EU incumbent venues continue to allow only for the preferred model rather than fully interoperable clearing to protect their existing CCP from competition. As a result, participants must remain connected to more than one CCP to benefit from preferred clearing, incurring higher fees and achieving lower capital and operational efficiency in comparison to a fully interoperable and integrated model. Cboe Clear Europe offers the preferred clearing model on Euronext markets in Milan, Dublin, Paris, Amsterdam, Brussels and Lisbon, and also on Deutsche Börse. Collectively, this group of venues represents 19% of cash equity trading in Europe. It is important for the preferred CCP to identify the trends of those trading markets, attracting key market makers and institutional trading activity from banks to increase the probability of trades being cleared by the preferred CCP. Naturally, ensuring there are commercial benefits for the clearing members, whilst presenting the operational benefits of selecting a preferred CCP are also essential. Cboe Clear Europe has introduced highly competitive clearing fees for preferred clearing. Cboe Clear has successfully onboarded those market makers and banks and is therefore clearing substantial volume. Clearing members will measure the success of preferred clearing by the matching rate, the measure of how much of their own clearing is cleared by Cboe Clear Europe. Depending on the institution, this matching rate can be more than 50% on a daily basis. For Deutsche Börse, the journey for Cboe Clear has just begun. We have just recently introduced competition to the German market for the first time ever. The first clearing members activated the service in 2024 and we're now clearing volume on a daily basis. With an exciting client pipeline in 2025, Cboe Clear Europe aspires for significant growth and improvement in the performance metrics in the coming period across Euronext and Deutsche Börse. Interoperability is by far the most effective model for competitive clearing, ensuring clearing members can select a single CCP for all of its cash equities trading business. Whilst preferred clearing has been a success for Cboe Clear Europe and our clients, we advocate for greater adoption of interoperability and welcomes more venues and CCPs to the model. That is why we have called for mandated full interoperability for the EU cash equities markets for the EU's Savings and Investments Union initiative to expand investor choice and remove barriers to providing investors with broader market access. We will look to encourage the 25% of European markets not offering interoperability or any other kind of clearing competition towards interoperability. This is aligned with true user choice that market participants desire, as evidenced by the growing support for competitive clearing.